Yeah, what's good? It's your boy David Modano here, and somebody asked me to show them how to do happy birthday melody, and that's what I'm going to do, but thought of including you, my subscriber. So if you've not subscribed, please click that red button, subscription button, and let's get in. Alright, so we are going to keep everything simple. In just a few minutes I'll show you. If you have to rewind the video so that you can check how to play it, then please do so. So we are going to deal with only 3 strings, starting from the bottom one up to the third one up, and 3 frets, fret 1 to fret 3. So yeah, so happy birthday, we are going to start in the second fret, third string. The string that you hold is the same string that you pick. So we go. See, happy birthday. Yeah. Then to you, it's in the first fret, second string. See? So after doing happy birthday to you, we go happy birthday. So and to finish up,